Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video to talk about a new feature. If you are one of the millions and millions of users of Facebook Messenger, I am one of those because it's one of those ways that it's easy to actually talk to people. Now, we talked over time a lot about scams and fake, links and fake profiles and stuff, and one of the scams that's going on a lot is that some scammers out there take pictures from the profiles of other users and use them, of course, by looking at the friend list. So basically what happens is you get this request from somebody that claims to be your friend, but in reality is a scammer pretending to be your friend and uses, of course, that same profile picture, which means it's difficult sometimes to know, is that a real person or not? Well, Facebook has a new way of detecting this, and they are rolling it out. So if you are a Facebook Messenger user and get a request from a person that looks like your friend but is not your friend, basically they will now actually tell you about steps that you can take, and they'll kind of tell you, well, you sure you know this person, because there's a lot of scams that go like this, and they have pointers. They're going to say, well, this doesn't look like it's your friend, it really looks like a scammer or something like that. So if you are using Facebook, Facebook Messenger and Facebook in general also, remember that you got to be careful with that type of scam, people pretending to be somebody else. And that is one of the ways that often people get bitten. One of the ways that they can actually do this is pretend to be, your friend that's in trouble and you lost access to your account. And then, you'll say, well, I need money or I need something, or I'm, on a trip and I can't come back. I lost my wallet and whatever. And, naturally, of course, when it's a good friend, you kind of fall for the fact that you might want to help that person. So there are all sorts of scams like that. And they usually involve using a friend of yours' profile picture and trying to lure you into accepting that person as a friend and so on, and clicking links and stuff. So just be careful, and remember that you will now be actually having that little message going to say, well, we don't really think this, this, do you really know this person? And it's going to try to warn you that maybe this is a fake profile popping up. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.